Hello everyone. I welcome you all to ATM Creations and I welcome you all to this Mandala meditation series too. Today we open the heart chakra, Anahata. This chakra is the center of unconditional love, compassion, forgiveness, and inner peace. As I create this mandala in real time, allow yourself to soften, to breathe, to open gently to the healing that love brings. This is your moment to receive. This is your moment to let your heart bloom. Close your eyes or keep your gaze relaxed on the mandala that is unfolding before you. Take a slow, deep breath in and a long, soothing breathe out. Bring your awareness to the center of your chest, your heart space. Imagine a soft, glowing green light resting there, peaceful, calm, and warm. It glows like a gentle lantern in the quiet night or sunlight shining through fresh spring leaves. With each inhale, the light becomes brighter. With each exhale, it becomes wider, spreading peace through your entire chest. You feel your shoulders soften, your jaw relax, your breathing becoming lighter and deeper. Now imagine this green light forming a sphere, small sphere inside your chest. A sphere that's made of love and a sphere that feels like safety, softness, and acceptance. As I place each dot on this mandala, imagine that each dot sends a gentle vibration into your heart, a healing ripple that melts tension, dissolves heaviness, and softens old pain. Now visualize yourself standing in a quiet garden. It's early morning. The air is cool and fresh. The air is also filled with scent of blooming flowers. You hear soft birds singing. Everything is peaceful, calm, and alive. You walk slowly through this garden, feeling the earth under your feet. You notice a radiant green glow coming towards you. As you walk closer, you see a large, beautiful lotus, green, luminous, and glowing softly with love. This is your heart. You walk towards the lotus and sit beside it. You feel its warmth, you feel its compassion, you feel its beautiful presence. And the presence is peaceful too. Now imagine placing your hands gently over your heart. Feel your heartbeat. Feel its rhythm. Feel its truth. Your heart has carried so much. Moments of joy, moments of love, moments of hurt, moments of courage. Let your breathing Honor your heart for all it has held. Take a gentle breath in, and as you exhale, silently whisper, I am ready to open. Now imagine the green lotus slowly blooming, petal by petal, revealing pure light inside. With each petal that opens, feel your chest expand. Feel the space created inside you. Feel the free flowing love. Not forced, not rushed, just naturally expanding. As I continue painting, let each dot be a soft reminder. It is safe to love. It is safe to receive love. It is safe to be seen. It is safe to let your heart rest. Now imagine the green light expanding outward beyond your body. It spreads around you, creating a protection of warmth and tenderness. You are surrounded, embraced, and protected. If any old pain, resentment, or memory surfaces, you watch it dissolve in the green light. It may rise, but it cannot stay. The heart knows how to heal when you allow it the space to breathe. Take a deep breath now and let your whole chest soften. This green light now becomes brighter, radiating upward into your throat, your face, and your mind. It flows downward into your stomach, your hips, your legs, and your feet. Your entire being is now wrapped in the frequency of love, gentle, forgiving, and peaceful. Now imagine sitting in the center of this glowing mandala energy. You are the heart of love. You are the source of compassion. You are the giver and receiver. Stay here for a moment. You are a channel of peace. You are a vessel of compassion. You are love itself. Now I'm going to give you 5 affirmations. You can either repeat mentally or repeat loudly out. My heart is open to giving and receiving love. My heart is open to giving and receiving love. I am worthy of kindness, tenderness, and compassion. I am worthy of kindness, tenderness, and compassion. I forgive myself. I forgive others. I choose peace. I forgive myself. I forgive others. I choose peace. Love flows through me effortlessly. Love flows through me effortlessly. My heart is a source of healing for myself and others. My heart is a source of healing for myself and others. Take one deep breath in and exhale softly. Feel the gentle glow in your chest, warm, peaceful, and open. Your heart chakra is calm, balanced, and alive. Carry this love into your day, in your words, actions, and your presence. And when you're ready, share in the comments how did you feel. I believe this meditation is useful to you. Your words may open another heart today. Thank you for allowing me to guide you.